Let's draw a police car. How do we draw it? It has a trapezoidal shape with a cover on top, another trapezoid. Under that, draw a bigger trapezoid for the emergency lights, plus a half circle by the edge. Then we'll draw the chassis, I, here near the front where the license plate goes. At this spot, Teacher Who draws a larger circle within which is a smaller circle. Here, we casually draw a wheel by sketching two circles, the larger one with a smaller one inside. Connecting below to this spot, we add a small square at the rear. Do you see the overall shape now? Tinkering with it. Add another trapezoid on top to represent the glass or another layer of shape. The door handle area, situate two minded circles, then mount an alarm light on the apex with a tiny rectangle, succeeded by a second one atop, to imitate the headlight flashing, enhanced with some slim beams. Now we'll paint the car, starting with scarlet for the emergency lights top. Front lights, beam, and amber tone. In the middle, we add a striped blue. Now for looking. 5 examples. The reserve pathway gives off a somewhat reflective sheen. Having finished the glass, we turn to a slightly darker shade of grey below. Use some of that for the undercarriage. Wheel hubs are this deep grey, okay? Having encountered many, I deem the circular method handy. Twirl it, shade it, it simulates the wheel turning. Color the rear lights yellow and outline them with this light grey. With the car in motion, moving forward, add a few backward small lines to the sense of speed, and voila, a very simple and adorable police car is done.